We are here to stay. We're growing, we're investing, and we want to provide that winning service for our customers and that great culture for our employees where everybody can be proud to do business with us and to work at Fidium. I'm Meghan Woodliff, Vice President of Brand and Marketing at Fidium. We had a ton of research that showed us that we're in a category where consumers and businesses just despise their internet providers. And we said, what can we do differently and really redefine customer expectations? We designed our future state customer experience to be lightning fast, reliable, and refreshingly easy to love. Fidium means to attune or to bring together in harmony, and that is exactly what we've done, bringing Fidium to all of our customer groups and all lines of business. When we look back on this day in 5 years from now, I think people will say, aha, that's the moment where Fidium really began the journey to become America's favorite fiber provider.